rebels, some are bad man, some are killing in the ghetto. Hey, ghetto repentance, it's a ghetto repentance. Ghetto repentance, oh no, ghetto repentance.
As in pops, as in I don't understand. I don't understand. You know when me go to suffer, they hustle, they buckle every day, say make I keep money, save money, come write WAEC. Somebody go just dey busy, they pick up for this house. I mean, they tell me say my dad no good to read book with. I don't understand though.
Huh?
I don't understand though.
For this house, the devil is a liar. You mean say they thief your money for this my house? For this house, Papilo house, now they can't thief? Wait, make I ask your mother first. Maggie! Wait, Chisom. Chisom!
See, Pops, stop all these things. Stop all this dance around where they dance. What's happen now? I need my money. I need to do an exam with that money. As I save that money, I know where I save that money.
Come. Chisom. So you dey accuse me saying I me thief you? Chisom, how you go look me finish say I can't thief your money? Come on 10,000 naira and I me, Papilo, can't thief. Abba. Chisom.
Pops, I don't tell you. I need my money. I don't tell you.
Okay. Grace, don't worry.
I don't tell you finish.
You know, I mean, if I break like the rubber, I will have the pass my neighbor. Eh? Face on they run this matter for this game. Now me boy you, Mogu, idiot. Yeah.
Papa, what are you doing with this girl now? Since I've been looking for Auntie Chisom and Uncle Chizoba, there was no phone in the house. I've been looking for everybody.
What be your problem now? You be small with you. What you come to do here? I be your mama. If they're hungry, they won't go. You know, go there, go look for your mother.
Papa, is this still my mother? Is she my mother? Papa?
Oh, yeah. Come on here. Come on here.
Papa, I don't like it.
Come on here.
See, Papilo, I know they like all this kind of thing, I know they like all this. Why you should they checkmate you anyhow now? The rats they call me team. Abi, Papilo, everything else, come now.
As I go for place, I don't go for it.
Well, Papilo, wait. You know, say my hands money for this gate too. My money for hand, not for the.
See, I mean, where the Papilo, now they tell money for hand, back for ground. What if I give you the money, can't pay tax, you run come up for this gate? For this gate, no only me be God, no only me be deity. You hear me so? But anyway, because I like, because of your open teeth and this your baka, I will play you for you to watch.
Joyce, I trust you.
Not only this your open teeth, now they make me the fall for you. If not, they plenty.
Is it good to see our children suffering in the ghetto? Old boys chasing everybody. See them terrorizing. Day and night, them are cutting. Oh, just save us. Yeah. Oh, just have mercy. Just have mercy. Yeah, man. Oh, just have mercy.
No matter,
Like this, now you take stop school. You don't say you don't take that examination.
You know, I walk on, they worry me about this school thing again. And last, you know, say school na scam. How me I go dey suffer, dey hustle, dey buckle myself every day so I wan save money, write exam, my pal go dey carry a shop turkey. Be like only my money dey shop turkey, abi. You know the year wetin I dey tell you since?
Yeah, they smell.
May smell o.
I say yeah, they smell.
May smell well.
So that papilo get that kind of mind to dey frustrate your plan like this? Wetin dey happen now? Why they do you like this? Your pale now, enemy of progress.
That's ya now. Guy, maybe all this way they talk now, I want hear. Now this way see me and my head dey hot. I won't go somewhere where they say, na pause, but then they press and like pimple come off my brain. They hear me?
Now like this, now me take stop school based on frustration where my pale and my mom give me. But we no go down now, we go dey push and dey go. We no go fit kill ourselves. You dey hear me? But wetin I surely know be say that thing where they don't plant inside us, they go repair. They go repair.
So now you don't feel what I feel like. I bet more enter bunch.
Some are rebels, some are bad man, some are killing in the ghetto. Hey, ghetto repentance. It's a ghetto repentance. Yeah.
Hey, no joke with our memory. Hey.
Greetings to the rugged chairman of Old Boys Association.
Rugged you all, my future hopes. I hope say today hustle no be a pass my number one.
Chairman, today hustle cast to the streets tight, everywhere get as it be.
What did you try talk? Say una no hustle out my money.
I beg senior man no vex. Me I try us do my own revenge.
Sheep no feel safe for dry land.
Too much.
I need money to function.
Hey, my baby. Not too much. Oh yeah, you. Where your own? Machala,
Come front and talk to you. Who dey look your face?
Sergeant Tonton.
Snub, bro, you see am. Snub, but you. If I wear you now, they go say I wicked. You see am.
Sit down, liver. You don't want to pay me my homage.
Senior bros, run no level. And the only money when I also be that.
Now I make you no want pay my homage. You want carry my homage go? Sure? I don't want reason you. I don't want reason you. At all, I don't want reason your matter. You hear them so? Meanwhile, where others dey?
Senior brother, as they come for road, those silver us for road. Come drive some, go back. Even we were there yourself, now escape, we escape, come. It's more when they come, they pay our revenue.
Chizoba, pursue others, go. Na small matter. I go handle am. Even God wey dey for heaven know say me, the lion of the jungle, I go handle am. Make una dey go.
Old boys chasing everybody. See them terrorizing. Day and night, them are cutting.
Chizoba no be island. Chizoba don dey too much.
Chizoba.
Now come Chizoba go dey obstruct our memory now. Who go Chizoba for this girl to save?
Them are cutting. Oh, just save us. Yeah. Oh, just have mercy. Just have mercy. Yeah, man. Oh, just have mercy. Where my ghetto repentance.
Ma uchu akwa be all this one now. Mona come for my pass now. Wetin be all this one now?
Come on, zip up your teeth to us so. Oh, I go pluck am out for you one after the other. You don't dance. It's just a face place like this.
You from me? Come on, try to show me that guy. They mad. They come out dagger for me.
Leave her for me.
This one no. I pump it.
Chizoba. How can you dey put something like that?
Bros now, wow. Which carry the top off now? You got guy.
Ah, who be this guy say? What's the one?
You don't say. You don't do that. Don't show me the play.
What's the play now?
Bros, now you dey look oh.
You don't do.
Now you dey look oh. What you be all this one now?
You don't do.
So they come play for me like Ogoni Gali.
Na papilo face I dey look. You know wahala. Where would they go?
No, sir.
Bros, where would they go?
I will clear your
Pro.
I will clear your dance. No worry.
Chief to us, pro. Oh, pro, now una be. That's what I feel do, they hear me? I see. No be one thing, No be one thing.
See them terrorizing. Day and night, them are cutting. Oh, just save us. Yeah. Oh, just have mercy.
Yeah, they smell. I say yeah, they smell. Wait, Zoba. What did they saw?
Now you talk the men again. Send me to Kwakwa, you to Kwakwa.
Wait, what happened? They touch you?
Wow, if you touch me. All those men block me for road, say they won't fight me. If I know Bala get mine, blow me. As I follow them up, one blow them back. If I know you to them, one come out gun. I say one come out in iron, and me I look at my own. I see the point me, I point them too. Immediately everybody can dey panic, now they can dey shiver, everybody can just discharge from there. You know understand?
Social distancing. Wait though. You dey tell me say before it or even dey comot gun,
you point am back na in the mat. Na wa something wey Papilo don teach me how to position am.
You get my run now?
Na what for you?
You don surprise me oh. Come.
You wan come dey show me one thing.
Hey, no be smart you dey do.
Papilo don teach me how to.
Na what for you? Na 50-50 now. Na 50-50.
Do that for me. Me I just go palm the thing before I come here.
Rugged you it.
Papilo.
Wetin come dey sup? Wetin come dey happen now?
Papilo na your son o.
Your son Chizoba don turn to bee wey perch for my brocos. Your son Chizoba wan rebel me. He dey rebel me. And I'm say when I dey your government, I dey loyal. I was your best son. If I no be your best son, you no go give me this position. But your son dey rebel me now. Wetin I do Chizoba? Why Chizoba? Little boy. I now go to ask Chizoba, wetin I do you? Why you dey rebel my government? Chizoba turn tiger o. Dey para me o. Confront me anyhow. I weak. I look am. I come say when I no be Chizoba, Smally, wey I know where dey born, where dey wear pampers. Come dey rebel me again. Papilo. Na I dey look o. If not, by now if I don't hear say I don throw am overboard.
Which Chizoba wey you dey talk? Na Obele my Chizoba na you dey talk so wey dey para you. Chizoba wey get wings to fly. Wetin dey give am a right to come attack you wey come dey rugged you? Wetin dey worry am? That boy I insist that he himself don me and them will never sort out matter wey dey between and he come dey attack you. For this ghetto where I be gods, na me be gods, na only me be deity. Na Ito, you know wetin happen? Leave am there, make am reach as make me and him go sort am out. I dey go.
Why dey call Papilo put for this matter now? Not be put us on this matter wey we dey so. Wetin dey happen sef? When him be president, wetin he fit do? I just dey vex and not follow na go that matter. I for poof am by myself.
I get to do wetin I dey do because my Papilo make sure say I dey here. So I get to give am in respect. No be say I no know wetin I go do Chizoba. No be say I no know. Na me be this now. I no dey dull. But I be man wey dey take my time dey do things.
Ghetto father, rugged you. But you see this matter, those boys them be rebels. He don't clear, and if you no loyal them ruggedly, others no go learn.
You mean this thing wey you just talk? Yeah, they smell. I say yeah, they smell. You feel say me I go gather all of una together here, they lie for una.
I no fit do that kind of thing now. I say Zoba here knack Fesi with Ito dem. If Fesi do dem comot Oka made from nowhere begin dey knack dem Fesi. Na one for you o.
See guys e don tey why I dey wait make this kind thing happen. E don tey and as e take be like this now, I go support you now with my last drop of blood. See but this Ito and first lady thing don tire me. First lady wey dey call herself side chick. See niggas as e take be now, anyhow one I want make this thing take be, may be. I dey available. If you want am brutal, nigga, we're going brutal. I will take it. And wait, before we go do this kind of movement, niggas, we go first hook up with all our children when they try hustle for this ghetto, make them make living. You understand me? We go first hook up with them, gather them, you understand me? Before we take this move, so we go make sure they do okay and for them to support us for this deal.
It was beating more than it can chew. I'm not doing it again, no. Now, we are going to come out blood for it too. You there with me, Chikoko?
See and I know say me, I know they believe in shouting. Too much shopping, no. You know me, Chico. You go sweet, may all of us join hands, carry our fight, go knock this man and Inkatel. You don't know fit do anything. I dey tell you because even for the days of my father and my forefathers, them they say the evil way you know destroy today, now you go come fight you tomorrow. No be wetin dem tell us. I be like the cut liver.
Yeah, this man. Social distancing.
Na wetin dem suppose give us.
Social distancing.
Na wetin dem suppose give us, my man.
Yeah, this man.
Greetings, rugged surviving children of our community, Ogboji community. I welcome you all. Sorry to say we dey waste our time, say we come here, only waste our time. Una not vex, But wetin carry una come here today make sense, so you understand? Na see the same work when una don work. Dey pay una tax and revenue. I don work and tire. All of us don work and tire. You understand? And now nothing we dey get. Of all the remittance wey they give to this community, nothing will they get. Ito and the people, they chop all this money. So as it stands now, I don't want to make una pay this revenue again. It not go happen again. You understand? So that make una take money when they work, till they take care of una mama and una papa, they don't old. Una hear? You know take them again, but una won't work die. All of una won't work die. No! No work die. No! Even our papa, make I'm not telling you now. Even our papa, your papa, my papa, all of them don't see the same thing. You understand? They don't suffer the same cause. For how long now? How long will continue? Then they colo, Ito they colo. See, una not go pay revenue again from today. Una hear? Nothing they happen, no. No shaking, nothing they happen. Una count on us, nothing they happen. We don't be that for nothing.
Sorry, brother. That's the way you talk, It clear. But get what they make me they think every day since when I did primary 2, they make me they think. I they think because I never see anybody we don't lift for this ghetto since we didn't born me. My elder brother na keke a drive before he die. You always see the person know me, see drive that same keke before he die. I grew up. You know, God as baby, I won't follow bike based on you know. But I don't know I no go fit drive machine. I enter streets, go they hustle. They do other things, they do car wash, they do so that I will fit survive. Bros, not be like this, we go dey for this community nah. You go first count one before you count two. I want to know why these things they happen because I don't see and see from one to people we senior now, people we born us for our great grandfathers. Nobody don't succeed past this level. How we go take do? What we go do to clear this problem? Bros, I beg help us. I want me to tell us what we go do to clear this wahala we dey because me I don't fit do am again. I don't tire.
Small body rugged you. Na better question na you ask so. Make it not be like say no let me carry una come here. Come dey brainwash una. Chizoba, you need to tell them your experience with it to them. You understand? Make everybody know say don't set. Enough is enough. Tell them, my brother.
As we told you, As we told of una. The thing be say, as everybody get mind gather here, me I know say nobody go wan die for here. And as all of us get mind say make we fight this thing, make we fight am once and for all. Because only me yesterday sef with my wampa, my tonton, I face those men, give panic for their body. I tell everybody it's Kalewa. Just a stand so we no get mind, so they come around. If you fear you go die, if you no fear you go still die. So make we join our hands, fight this cause once and for all. They hear me? I beat all of now.
See, my people, as it be so, I dey on top of this matter. You understand? Me personally, I know wetin I pass through for Ito hand. Ito na greedy man. I know Ito pass all of na greedy man. You understand me? And he dey give our children bad leadership. You understand? And it be so, as it be so like this now, it gotta stop. You understand? All this shit has to stop. You understand me? So we have to do something and stop this shit, niggas.
Abemuna no vex. As in, what if ghetto chairman stop us for road say we must pay revenue? What we go do?
As it be now, make everybody want to go, you understand? Make we not go pay revenue again, no. Make we just put it together, know how we want to arrange this matter. Once we don't put it together around this matter, we go let you know, we go on film for make una watch, yeah? We not discharge now, beg.
Yes, so make una not worry.
Yeah. Oh, Jah mercy. Jah mercy. Yeah, man. Oh, Jah mercy. Where my ghetto repentance. Where my ghetto repentance. Where my people them are going.
You mean say that small Chizoba get mine? They tell our children made us stop to come to pay homage to us again.
Man, that's why I say I'm only small boys of nowadays.
If I catch that cockroach, I go drill him, I go drill him so that he go die. Who they deceive him now? Who they deceive that boy?
Person now. A person for this ghetto now they give him wings when they fly. But I will position Chizoba that way.
Hey, I laugh. And I know my matter. I mean, I need to talk plenty. But see that Chizoba. See, Ona will lap him for a mouth. Anybody who will jam, whether I'm mother and father, they go collect. See, now who they run this ghetto?
They know they tell blind man say rain dey fall.
I'm tired for you now.
See, I know the person when they do all these things. You dey get me, senior bra? I know the person when they run her. Now someone, now she. I dey test you, senior bra. I dey test you.
Relax. Me, I know say na someone now. You no need to knock back down for my ear. See, ma, I tell you, 12 and 4 no be the same thing. What's first name?
Maybe are good.
Bala, you know sure say na Papilo. When Papa dying they run this now. And they sorted Papilo.
See, Jaco, Ona is set. If not the papa will jump, if not the mama will jump, anybody will jump will come.
I don't do like that.
Still they talk, man. And I know they talk plenty. No worry, on our show you
See them terrorizing. Day and night, them are cutting. Oh, just save us. Yeah. Oh, just have mercy. Yeah. Every on fire. Boom. Some are run away. Some are jumping. Some of them are killing. Some are run away. Oh, no. Some are jumping. Oh, no. Some are run away. Too much fighting. Is it good to see our children suffering in the ghetto? Old boys chasing everybody. See them terrorizing. Day and night, them are cutting. Oh, just save us. Yeah. Oh, just have mercy. Just have mercy. Yeah, man. Oh, just have mercy. Where my ghetto repentance. Where my ghetto repentance. Where my people them are coming. All boys and forming children running. Oh yeah. Some are rebels, some are bad man, some are killing in the ghetto. Hey, ghetto repentance. Ghetto repentance, oh no. Ghetto repentance, oh no. It's a ghetto repentance, oh no.
Ghetto repentance, ghetto repentance.